Welcome back to the Wfh Korna. I was going to wait until Sunday to make this post, but because of how these opportunities are being sought after like hot bread, the earlier you apply, the better. Today, I'm going to give you the lowdown on a job opportunity that's not only about making a living, but living your best work life. I'm your host, Deandra, and today we're exploring the world of customer support with the amazing team at Wfh. Now, why are we so hyped about Wfh? Well, first things first, they're all about the remote life. Major win. The second thing is that you have your weekends off. They offer amazing benefits like health, vision, dental, and paid holidays. Plus, they'll send you company merch. Yes, a jacket from North Face and a water bottle from Yeti. Now I know Stanley Cups has all the buzz these days, especially after that ladies own survived the flames. But who doesn't love free stuff? Come on now. Plus, we're heading into colder months, so that jacket will come in handy. All jokes aside, picture this. You sipping your coffee in your favorite mug, wearing your coziest slippers, and helping customers, all from the comfort of your home. Yes, Wfh has taken up the remote work baton and running with it. So let's dive into the deets. Wfh is on the lookout for a customer support representative. So what's the gig? First off, you'll be the superhero behind the scenes, tackling customer queries and ensuring that you leave smiles on their faces. You will need to interact with several software systems, so familiarity and comfort with computer is required. Now, Excel skills are preferred, and they are looking for people who can put together great emails. And of course, other written correspondence. Your core responsibilities will include responding to customer inquiries, managing customer experience, processing and tackling customer returns. And they mentioned that their employees learn new things every day and are constantly evaluating their work to maintain top efficiency. There is a great opportunity for career growth with them, as they typically promote from within. Over 90% of their current leadership started with them in an entry-level position, so that's very good. Now they urge you to only apply if you are looking for a long-term position. Now let's talk mullah, the burning question. What's the pay like? Well, Wfh knows that your time and talent are worth it. They're offering a competitive pay that not only rewards your hard work, but also respects the value you bring to the team. Their starting pay is $15 per hour, with the operative word being starting. So I'm sure you'll have opportunities to increase it over time. Wfh goes all out to take care of their crew. It's not just a job, it's the whole package. As you can see, there are more benefits than what I mentioned earlier. A point to note is that this position can be worked remotely anywhere within the contiguous United States. And to break that down a bit, the contiguous United States really includes the District of Columbia and all United States except Alaska and Hawaii, because those are separated by Canada and the Pacific Ocean, respectively. It's also sometimes referred to as the Lower 48. So take that into consideration when you're applying. And here's the kicker. Wfh understands that life isn't a one-size-fits-all situation. With a remote setup, you get to create a schedule that works for you. No more early morning rush hours or boring office cubicles. You're the master of your workday, and I love that for you. So, if you're ready to level up your career, break free from the office, and join a company that values your talent, Wfh might just be the right place for you. I've dropped the link in the description below. Go ahead and check it out. That's it for today's video, folks. If you enjoyed this sneak peek into the remote world of Wfh's customer support team, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more career insights, and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on the next big opportunity. Until next time, happy job hunting. Bye.